Hi, this is Metal Steve. Have you noticed that sounds are a lot closer as of very short time ago? There were just some cop cars going by on Trooper Road. There are no windows and doors open, and I could hear not only the high-low sirens, but the horn from the other car and the engines from both the police cars and the other car. Have you noticed that when it's quiet, sound goes a lot further through solid objects? Here, hold on. I'm going outside for just a second. I'm going to hold the phone straight up in the air. Tell me what you hear. Close your eyes and concentrate. Hear those noises? That's cars more than 3 blocks away. That's cars more than 3 blocks away. You hear that? That's cars more than 3 blocks away on Trooper Road. Trooper Road. Hear this? This is cars out the other side, more than 3 blocks away. Look, you can hear individual engines. My whole world is practically sound. I noticed this today. I noticed it today. Look at that. You can not only hear the wheels, but you can hear individual engines. Look at this. Boy, I hope my mic's as good as my ears.
Voicemail.
Those birds sound different. Yeah, let me go focus on them a little. That sounds different. That fast chirping one, it sounds almost, but it sounds different. I can't place it, but it does sound different to me. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Reflecting metallic silver. Hi-ho, silver. Look at that. What the... Boy, I hope I caught that. Look at that. The sun is now completely covered by clouds, but it's brighter. Look at that. What's that? What is that? Oh, please tell me that's my eyes, man. Most of my world is sound. Please tell me that was my eyes, man. Those two lights up there, and then it got covered in clouds, and then it was brighter, and now it's back to normal. But before, first when it was covered in clouds, it was brighter. Tell me that was my eyes. There's some animal sitting right there. Boy, it's like right there, isn't it? It's like right there. It sounds a lot closer. Is there really an animal right behind Tom's car? Right behind the Ford? Alright, I'm trying to get it. Trying to get it. Real quick. It's making a noise. Now it's shut up or scampered off or something. Yeah, I could have sworn that was right behind Tom's car, like right where I stood. Sounds are way closer. My whole world is sound, and it's thrown me off a little. Most of my whole world is sound, and this new effect has thrown me off just a little bit. Boy, I wish I had like a stereo mic on this thing. And it's back. Sounds really close. Alright. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna go back inside and upload this thing. This is Metal Steve signing off. Later.